Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to crop, rotate or flip a video on the Cinemagraph application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the photo icon down below, which is the fourth option, and select a video that you have uploaded. Click on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen. And then if you want to crop the video, tap on this button at the top of the screen. And here you can select its size. You can rotate it by tapping on the first button down below. You can also flip it by tapping on the second icon down below and select its size, which is the third option. You have a bunch of options here that you can choose from. You can also select these TikTok, Instagram stories, Snapchat and Facebook cover video options if you are planning to upload the video to one of those social networking sites. So the format will fit the standard format of those applications. If you are done with selecting all these details and features, click on the Done button in the upper left corner of the screen. However, if you want to reset your video to the original format, tap on the Reset button down below and then press Done. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.